Zhangjiagang Wilford Thermal Technology Corporation Limited lies in China's economically developed Yangtze River Delta, getting the manufacturing license of Grade B, passing ISO 9000 quality system. We are specializing in environmental boilers, such as gas-fired, oil-fired, electric steam boiler, and hot water boiler, which are full auto operation, have the function of automatically alarm. The boilers can be widely used in food processing, medical and chemical industries, and so on. Our products are well-selling in domestic and popular with more than 50 countries and regions, like Southeast Asia, Midwest, South America. Now we are introducing boiler operating and daily maintenance. Before operating, we must finish following preparations. Because threads might be loosened while delivering and loading, before connected with earth wire, please tighten main loop copper, cold pressure point, circuit breaker, contactor, heating elements joined one by one. Meanwhile, check and make sure electric wiring insulation not damaged. After all preparation, connect to suitable power line according to boiler power requirements. After confirm the position of now/lifeline. Connect water, steam pipe, blow down pipe. At last, main power source. We have a full range of electric steam boiler. Now we will introduce detailed operation by model. First, let's go on with minute LDR electric model. First, turn on power switch, water pump beginning make up water. If it is the first time or long time no using boiler, please put out water pump air first. When water pump doesn't work, shut power, open pump cover, and slide impeller by hand to make sure boiler operating with enough water. When lacks water, indicator will alarm. Water level gauge is in boiler left side. When feed up water to normal level, pump stop work. Then electric heating elements work. Boiler operating indicator lighting. After heating elements work, steam pressure rise up. And when pressure meets pressure controller setting pressure, heating elements stop work. At the same time, open main steam valve, use steam. Steam pressure is set according to customer's requirement by manufacturer. Please do not arbitrarily change it. Following is operation of vertical electric steam boiler, steam from 50 kg per hour to 150 kg per hour. LDR 0.05 to LDR 0.15 model operation is the same as minute LDR electric model, but with more functions. With power switch button, customers may set power according to actual steam requirements to get high efficiency. Emergency stop button. When boiler operating with emergency, push button to cut off power. When boiler water level encountered failure, failure indicator alarm and shut down protecting boiler. Following is operation of vertical electric steam boiler, steam more than 200 kg per hour. When steam capacity higher than 200 kg per hour, with higher power, they design with multi-electric heating elements, controls separated. It is operated the same as minute LDR electric steam boiler. There are 3 additional buttons in control panel: 3-phase current gauge, voltage gauge, general purpose switch. Customers may watch current gauge, voltage gauge to monitor boiler operating condition. This type of boiler is using BC type controller, LCD, and operating brief and simple. Please operate according to boiler manual. Following is boiler routine maintenance requirements. To ensure better use of our products, we require customers to do the following routine maintenance. 1. According to relay regulations, please check safety valve periodically and do manual discharge. 2. In order to reduce boiler failure, improve service life, boiler should blow down at least twice a day at pressure below 0.1 ampere to 0.15 ampere. 3. To avoid overheating, electric discharge, burn wiring and electric parts caused by connecting loosening, please check all electric parts, tighten loosened parts. Please use special tools to tighten contactor, circuit breaker, heating elements, and high electric current joints. 4. Heating elements bolts and flange screw cap must be tightened periodically. Meanwhile, heating elements are easy scaled. It should be removed every 6 months descaling. When mounting heating elements, take care of wiring connecting, flange screw tightening to avoid water leakage. Please check boiler main parts operating condition, such as electric wire, water pump, electric control panel, pressure switch, and safety valve, etc. When in abnormal condition, find reason in time. 5. Water level is showed through electrode in water level gauge and boiler proper. Water level electrode must be cleaned regularly. Fake water level, fake alarm, and furring will be appeared if use of bad water quality for boiler, which seriously affects to the thermal efficiency and service time. Therefore, we advise users to adopt water treatment. Water treatment must be installed on a firm flat roof. There should set gutter, water treatment, and water tank. As to water treatment installation, please refer to the drawing to fulfill it. After finishing connecting, please operate the equipment according to the following steps. Open the water inlet valve to 1/4. You will hear the sound which air vents to the blow-down pipe. Open the valve when all air is out. Then feed water into salt tank and salt as per request. Set up the use of salt quantity. Let control valve turn to salt tank water inflow part. When the water reach to the top of check valve, then set the time and date. Connect to power. Manual regeneration knob clockwise to start a regeneration. Automatic regeneration is complete. Water samples from the sampling valve to release water quality analysis. Eligible immediately after put into use. If you are underusing and there is any questions, please feel free to contact us through the following ways. Telephone 86-512-5817-0166. Fax 86-512-5869-8850. Email service@wilfordboiler.com.